form that decision has been taken again. Number one, lockdown will continue. In East Khasi Hills district, lockdown will continue till next Monday, 5 a.m. The lockdown in East Khasi Hills will continue till 5 a.m. morning. Why we have taken this decision? Because, as I've already told you, the situation is so serious and very, very grim. Therefore, I would request all the citizens of the district, East Khasi Hills, to bear and to be with us together in fighting the COVID-19.